Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression Part 7. See, today we are going to see exercise 5.3, fourth problem. How many terms to the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? You have to find out the sum of the AP whose sum is given 636. That means Sn is given. Sn is given. So just to recall the formula. That is first formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. When the last term is not given. Clear? When the last term is given, you have to use this formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. That is first term plus last term. If you know first term and the last term means easily you can use this formula. Okay, and you can get the answer. So here Sn formula. Here Sn is given 636. Clear? That is to give a sum of means okay, Sn is given and AP also given. So write given AP. AP is okay, that is given. So if the AP given means immediately you can find out A. What is A? 9. What is D? 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. Okay. Now Sn also given. Sn is how much? And given Sn. And Sn is given 636. 636. Clear? Because in the AP last term not given, so that you can have to use first formula. Okay, remember. So Sn is write the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's equal to 636. So a and d you replace it. That means n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8, that is equal to 636. Here you see both the two terms you have. Both the term 2 is common, you take out. 2 is common, you take out means easily we can cancel this 2. Okay. So 2 common means simply 9 you write. Here 4. 4 you multiply 4 into n minus 1. That's equal to 636. Here 2 to get cancelled. Therefore n is equal to n into 9 plus 4n minus 4. That's equal to 636. Just a simplification only. Okay. Here 9 minus 4, that is 5. You simplify it. That is n into 4n plus 5. 4n plus 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4n first you write. 9 minus 4, 5. That's equal to 636. Now n you multiply means 4n squared plus 5n minus bring this side. That means it forms a quadratic equation. Clear? This is a quadratic equation. So you have to find out the n value means you have to factorize. Okay. First n squared coefficient you write into constant term means multiply means minus 2544. Okay. You have to split into two factors. Okay. So that you have to get the middle term plus 5. So how to split? You do factorization like this. Okay. 2 table divide. Again 2 table, 2 table, 2 table, 3 table and 53 prime. So up to that you have to stop. Clear? Now you multiply and see 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 16, 16 into 3, 48, 48 into 53, 2 factors. Correctly we are getting. That means here plus is middle sign, middle term sign is what? Plus 5. So here plus that means big number you put plus, small number minus you put. Okay. So that when adding you are getting, while product you are also getting. Clear? Now what you have to do? This coefficient 4 you divide, n you have to write. Clear? Here also 4 you divide, n you write. Here you can simplify. This 4 you can cancel means 12 times will go. Right? This 4 you cancel means 48 12 times. That means n, easily you can write the factor, that is n minus 12. Okay, from this easily you write two factors. Here another factor is 4n plus 53. That's equal to 0. Okay, so this method always you have to remember. Clear? That is the trick. Now, two factors equal to 0 means you just what? Separately make 0. Therefore, n is equal to 12 and 4n equal to minus 53. N is equal to minus 53 by 4. N cannot be negative, so it is rejected. N cannot be negative, right? So n equal to 12 is correct. N equal to 12. Okay, here how many terms? Clear? Therefore, required number of terms is 12. Okay, required number of terms is 12. Clear? So the simplification part correctly how to learn. Here only factorization is very important. Clear? Then remember this formula. Okay, after that only simplification. Okay. See, next problem we will see fifth problem. The first term of an AP is 5. That means A is given. The last term is 45. That is AN. That is L. L is given. The sum is means SN is given. Okay. Find the number of terms. Using this, you have to find out the number of terms means N you have to find out. Then common difference means D you have to find out. Clear? Two things you have to find out here. Okay. So, like how we have done the third problem, the same way how to do. But here it is given in the what? Verbal form. Here it is given in the verbal form. Okay. How to you should know the meaning means easily you can write. First term of AP is A. A equal to given 5. Okay. The last term means AN or L also you can take. L is 45. Okay. That is also AN. That is nothing but AN. Next, sum is given. Sum is given. SN. SN is 400. SN is 400. N you have to find out. So you know very well that is SN. If you know first term and last term means easily you can apply the formula. SN equal to what? N by 2 into A plus N. That's equal to 400. This formula you apply means very easy using. N by 2 into A you know, L you know. Easily you can find out N. Okay. How much? 50. 400. So 25. Therefore 25N is equal to 400. N is equal to divide. N is equal to 400 by 25. Okay. So N equal to 400 by 25. So in 400, how many 25 there? 16. Here. For N equal to 16. Now you have to find out common difference. So once you know N is AN equal to 45. AN equal to 45. Okay. You know A also. So easily you can find out what a common difference, right? Therefore, AN equal to 45. That means A16 is 45. A16 is 45. So A16 equal to 45. A16 means you know A plus 15B. A plus 15B. AN formula use. Okay. Simply subtract 1. That's all. Clear? Now A5. 5 plus 15D equal to 45. Bring this 5 this side. That means 15D equal to 40. 45 minus 5, 40. Therefore, D equal to 40 by 15. 40 by 15. So, in 5 table 3 times, this will go 8 times. So, D equal to 8 by 3. That is nothing but 2 by 3. You can write in the mixed fraction also. Here, D is 8 by 3. Common difference is 8 by 3. Common difference is 8 by 3 or 2 by 3. Clear? 2 by 3. And number of terms is 16. So easily you can find out by using these two formula. Only in AP you have to remember formula. That's all. Then you have to do correctly simplification. Okay. Now we will see the sixth problem. Read the problem correctly. The first and last term of an AP are. First term is 17. Last term is 350. If the common difference is 9, common difference also given, then how many terms are there? So you know A is 15, A is 17, and last term, that is AN 350. Last term is L or AN. If the common difference D is given 9. So how many terms? How many terms means N you have to find out. So when you have first term and the last term, and D means N is easily can write. N is equal to, what is the formula? N equal to last term minus first term divided by D plus 1. Use this formula. Very simple. Clear? So last term is 350 minus 17 divided by 9 plus 1. So how much you will get? 17 subtract 350, 17 means 333. 333 by 99 plus 1. Plus 1 is separated. Okay. Two terms, that is plus 1 is separated. So now you write 9 means how many time will go? 33 means 3 time will go. Right. What is the remainder? 663. 7 times. 7 9s are 63 plus 1. So total 38 terms there. Now what is their sum? So sum which formula you can use? So remember, first term and the last term given means A plus N. That formula I use. Okay. So N by 2 into A plus N. This is easy formula. Okay. So now S38 you have to find out. S38 you have to find out. That is 38 by 2 into A is 17. L is 350. That is here you cancel means 19 into 357 or 367. 1067. Just to multiply. So when you multiply 19 into 367, okay, you will get 6973. 6973 is the answer. That is the 38 terms sum of. Okay, sum to 38 terms of a given AP is 6973. Okay. Next we will see the seventh problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is given, then 22nd term is given. So what is the meaning of 22nd term? A22. A22 is given. A22 is equal to 149. Next what is given? In which D is given. D equal to 7. Okay, D equal to 7. So first use these two. So easily you can write this A22 nothing but A plus 21D. So now use this 7 means you can find out A easily. Right? Seven 14 147. So A equal to 149 minus 147. How much? A equal to 2. So easily we can get A. Now you have to find out the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of first 22 terms. That means N is given. Clear? N is given. AN means last term. Last term is given. Clear? 22nd term. Because 22 terms there. That is last term. Okay. Okay. L is given. L is 149 and A is 2. Therefore, Sn formula equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So S22 you have to find out. So N equal to 22 you put. That means A is 2 plus L is 149. Here 11. So 11 into 151. So 151 write 2 times. 1661. Therefore Find the sum of first 22 term is 1661. Clear? Eighth problem, very important problem. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second term and third term are given. So when they give second term and third term, clear? Second term and third term, easily you can find out A and B value. Okay. So if you get this form, you will get two equations. Clear? How to solve means you can find out A and B value. You see. First, second term is A2. A2 equal to 14. Okay, A2 equal to 14 given. That means A plus D equal to 14. This is equation number 1. And again, third term is A3 equal to what? 18. Third term is A3 equal to 18. Therefore, A3 nothing but A plus 2D equal to 18. This is equation number 2. Now subtract 2 minus 1 easily we can solve. A minus A 0. 2D minus D 1D. 18 minus 14 4. So D is 4. Now put this D. Put D in 1. Equation number 1. What you will get? A plus 4 equal to 14. Therefore A equal to 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. Right? A equal to 10. Now if you know A and D, then N is 51. That means S51 you can find out. Okay, write S51. So here you don't know last term. Here you don't know last term. That's why what you have to do? Apply that first formula. 51 by 2 into 2A plus 51 minus, that is 50D. So 51 by 2 into 2A. 2 into 10. Put the value 50. D is 4. Okay. So 51 by 2 into 2 you take common here. 10 plus 2 common means 50 into 2. Okay. In 4, 1, 2 you take common so that you can cancel easily. That is simplification. Okay. Simplification you have to learn any common factor there means you take common and easily you can cancel means multiplication will be simple. Okay. Easily you can do. That is the method. 10 plus 100. So 51 into 110. So 11 into 51. Very simple. 51 write 2 times. Right. Then 0 add. Last 0 add means 5,610 is the sum to 51 terms of the given AP. Clear? So easily we can calculate out. So next important problem, very very important, many times repeated. Clear? Repeated questions in the exams. If the sum of first 70 terms of an AP is 49. First 7 terms. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, that means S7 is given. S7 is how much? 49. Okay, so you immediately write the meaning. That is S7 means what? 7 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1. That is N minus 1 means 7 minus 1 is 6D. That's equal to 49. Okay, this 7 by 2 bring this side. Okay, or 7 you divide this side. 2 you can divide here itself. Okay, 2 divide here itself because 2 is common factor. That means 2 first divide means A plus 3D. Now 7 you divide. 49 by 7. How much? A plus 3D equal to 7. This is equation number 1. And that of 17 term is S17 is given. S17 is 289. Same way you do 17 by 2 into 2A plus 16B. That's equal to 289. Understand? Just to subtract 1. 16d. Now same way, 17 you divide that side, 2 divide here. That means this can be written as a plus 8d. Here you take one common and cancel this, what 8d will get. That 17 you divide a plus 8d equal to 17. That is equation number 2. Okay, equation number 2. Now, from using these two equations, we can find out what a and d value. Okay, now subtract 2 minus 1 gives a minus a 0. A minus a 0. 8d minus 3d is 5d. Now right hand side, come to right hand side. 17 minus 7 is 10. Therefore d equal to 2. Easily will get d value 2. Now put this in 1. Put d in 1. What you will get? A plus 3 into 2. That's equal to 7. Therefore a equal to 7 minus 6. A equal to 1. Right? A equal to 1. Now you have to find out what? First n terms. N terms you have to find out. That means Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into. Here you don't have last term. Here you don't have last term. So you write this formula. That is Sn equal to Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Write this formula. So here n by 2 into 2a 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. So that is equal to n by 2 into 2n. So 2 to get cancelled because numerator 1 2, denominator 1 2. So n into n is square. So Sn is we are getting n square. Sn equal to n square. Understand? Okay. What is the beauty of this problem? You see, S7 is 49. 49 means what? 7 square. So S7 is 7 square. Here S17 is what? 17 square. 289 is 17 square. So like this, okay, if you write down means Sn, what you are getting? N square. Understand? N square. So if they ask MCQ type question means clear, you have to find out the Sn easily. You see, S7 is 7 square. S17 is 17 square. Suppose if they ask S100 means 100 square, you have to find out. So Sn is n square. MCQ type questions they may ask. Clear? You no need to solve like this. Understand? No need to solve. This is the trick. On using the trick, easily you can find out. Understand? MCQ questions, steps and all not required. Okay. Only answer. Okay. Easily you can find out the answer. So remember this point. You see the next problem, 10th problem, very important problem. So that A1, A2, A3 up to AN form an AP. Okay, you have to check whether it is AP or not. Okay, but AN is defined given. You see, AN is defined like that. Okay, so when AN is given, you can easily form an AP. That AP, you can easily form the sequence. That sequence is AP or not. You have to check. Clear? So AN, right, given. To get first term, what you have to do? Put n equal to 1. To get first term, put n, A1 is the first term. So put n equal to 1 means A1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. That is A1 equal to what? 7. That is first term is A. Clear? Same way, put n equal to 2. So A2 you will get. A2 equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. That is 3. 8 means 11. Second term is 11. Now put n equal to 3. A3 you will get. A3 equal to how much? 3 plus 4 into 3. That is 12. So 15 you will get. So first 3 terms find out. Then easily you can check. Therefore first term is 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15 is a sequence. Now you have to check whether it is AP or not, because in the question they ask you to show that it is an AP or not. Clear? Therefore, what you have to do? D you have to common difference you have to find out. Okay. Here common difference is, you see, what is common difference? 11 minus 7. That is 4. Here also what? 4. So common difference is same. CD is same. Therefore, it is an AP. It is an AP. Okay. So next what you have to do is find the sum of first n 15 terms. First 15 terms. So here you know A also. Clear? You know A is 7, B is 4, n is 15. 15 terms you have to find out. Sum of 15 terms is n equal to 15. Therefore S15 find out. S15 is nothing but 15 by 2 into 2a plus 14d. Write the meaning correctly. N minus 1 into d, that is 14d. That is 15 by 2 into a value put 7 plus d value is 4. Okay. Now 15 by 2 into 1, 2 you take common. That is very simple. Clear? Simplification will be easy. You can easily cut. Here 2 taken common means 7 plus. Here 1, 2 taken common means 14 into 2. Right? So 15 into 7 plus 28. That is 35. 15 into 35. 15 into 35. So sum to 15 terms is 525. Okay. So this second problem, same way you have to do. Same way you have to do. I will give it as homework. Okay. So same type of problems I will give it as homework. Do the homework problem for better practice. Okay.